That fast falling rain has created real problems in Bloomfield Hills tonight.
We're talking stranded cars and roads that are impassable. Our Mara McDonald is live at Long Lake near Woodward. And Mara, police and fire crews have a very busy night in that community.
They have been trying to fish people out of the drink all night. Take a look behind me. That's Bloomfield Fire over there in the middle of Long Lake, trying to get in a position where they can reopen the road. It has been closed for hours, and nobody I've talked to can remember ever seeing flooding like this out here, which may explain why so many people thought their cars could get through.
I don't know. Oh!
Offshoots of the Rouge River typically run under Losser Road. Tonight, they're running fast over the road, and there have been many ill-fated drivers who thought it was going to be a good idea to try and cross it. It's not.
Now it's probably 160 feet by 120 feet, and it's breached a couple spots.
Chuck Duquette lives along Losser, and his backyard has been swallowed by water.
And in 22 years, I've never seen it run this high, and they're calling for 4 more days of this kind of rain, so I don't know what we're going to be seeing.
Long Lake and Woodward is another problem spot. Despite police and fire shutting the road down, cars still got stranded. And while it looks awful now, it is in considerably better shape than it was earlier tonight, when sheets of water were running uncontrollably with nowhere to go.
Back here live, Hickory Grove and Woodward, another problem area tonight over there. Most of the water has receded. And a special thanks, Kimberly and Jason, to the guys at the Bloomfield Deli, not only for sharing their video with us, but for giving us a relatively dry place to park tonight. It was kind of dicey out here for a while. We're live in Bloomfield Hills tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Yeah, a sandwich, and you could have hit the trifecta, but it's scary looking at that radar as what's still to come.
Yeah, it really is a mess, Mara. Okay, we appreciate it very much. And drivers in Southfield also dealing with flooded roads. This was Franklin Road north of 11 Mile, and you can see no major flooding, but drivers did have to slow down to get through there, all that water.
Washtenaw County also hit pretty bad tonight, especially in Ann Arbor. This is some viewer video from U of M's campus, where you can see what it looks like. That's a fire truck trying to get through there. Roads barely passable there on campus. In Wayne County, police had to shut down 6 Mile Road at Northville because of flooding, but not before several cars there got stuck in the floodwaters and needed to be towed.